Hello everyone, Romancer X here, and today we are doing an unboxing video of some Hololive cards. It is the Hololive Production English Edition, the Weiss Schwarz Premium Booster Hololive Production Summer Collection. It has 6 packs. Really nice box. So it says there are 53 types, 53 normals, 106 hot stamped. There's 4 cards per pack. 3 are going to be normal, 1 is hot stamped. Then on the side here, not really focusing, there we go. It says 53 normals, 53 Hololive parallels, and 53 SPs. Got everybody. There's so up to council lists right there. Or promise, I guess you could say. Let's see. Plastic's really hard to cut. If you saw my other unboxing video, this was also a present from another friend. Let's see. First edition. Just open it like this. Yes, okay. Empty box. Alright. See what the back's like. Got Mona, Sora, and Gura on the front. The back. Alright. Let's open it up. Alright, first we have is Okayu. Summer Splash Party. Laplace. Glory. And Ayame as the hit. Nice. So there's the... Can't really get it to focus, but it says HLP, so that's the Hololive parallel. So that's cool. Gonna put her to the side. Another pack. Okay, Chloe. She's graduating soon. Iroha, really cute. Anya, Hololive Indonesia. And Zeta, nice. Also HLP. Cute pose. And really shiny. Okay. Alright, finally. Got a Hololive English member. Ina. Toa. Kelly. That's awesome. One of my favorites in English. And Matsuri. Very nice. Zeta again, normal this time. Watame. Suisse. Awesome. Really good, talented musician. And Chloe. So I got a normal Chloe and a parallel. Hope I can get more Hololive English members. We have Picora. Oh, she's doing a heart. That's cool. Iris. It's Iris. Lemmy. And we have Botan. Awesome. Very nice. And the last pack. Nice, Hachima. One of my favorites in Hololive Japan. Kaihato, there we go. Kikiriki Kiara. Roboko. Don't know if it's safe for her to be by the water, being a robot. And we got Noelle. This is the last one. So no SPs. But the parallels do look really cool. These were the hits. We got Noelle, Botan, Chloe, Matsuri, Zeta, and Ayame. Dang. No, didn't get any Hololive English parallels. One Indonesian parallel, and then the rest are JP members. Really cool. All the artwork's really cool. I don't play the game, but I do like Hololive. Alright, that's the video. Thanks for watching.